Namaskar. My humble appeal to all the physiotherapists and physiotherapy students of the country to come and join me in maximum numbers on July 16th, 2017 at Delhi for the greatest struggle ever for the formation of Independent Physiotherapy Council of India. And you must come and participate in that. In case you are unable to come, please do the protest, satyagraha or anasan at your own places. That is what is expected from all the physiotherapists and physiotherapy students. We all know that there has to be a central independent council for proper recognition. But we think that it should be done automatically. Nothing comes from automatically. If it was supposed to come, it would have come before. असफलता यह सिद्ध करती है कि सफलता का प्रयत्न पूरे मन से नहीं हुआ है. I'll take the responsibility on behalf of the entire community that whatever is required to sensitize the government, we have not done so far. Now it is the time that in unison we all have to stand together as physiotherapy professionals and demand our legitimate right. And I have decided that it is Amaran Anasan. I am going to sit and I invite like-minded people to come and join me in the Amaran Anasan and also in the Satyagraha. It is not my struggle, it is our struggle. And I cannot forcibly force anybody to come and sit me with Amaran Anasan. It has to be voluntary. Those of you who are so seriously concerned, you come and join me in this, the toughest struggle, toughest non-violence struggle as advocated by Rashtrapita Mahatma Gandhiji, because we do not want to follow the path of violence and damage the national property. We want to do the protest in a non-violent manner in the line of Rashtrapita Mahatma Gandhiji, Nelson Mandela or Martin Luther King. Our weapon is non-violence. So I will fast unto death till the time my Central Independent Physiotherapy Council is getting established. So my humble appeal again to all the physiotherapy professionals and students to make maximum ways to make it one national struggle, so that our humble appeal must reach to the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi ji, and I request Modi ji to look into the interest of 60,000 physiotherapists and 40,000 students who are in this noble profession to take a very strong step and please initiate and take the initiative to form the Independent Physiotherapy Council at the earliest possible. मोदी जी आपने बोला है सबका साथ सबका विकास. 1 लाख फिजियोथेरापिस्ट भी देश के लिए, देश के लोगों के लिए काम करते रहते हैं और हम सबका आपसे आशा है कि आप हमारा निवेदन सुनेंगे और तुरंत सेंट्रल इंडिपेंडेंट फिजियोथेरेपी काउंसिल बनाएंगे. Once again, I appeal all the physiotherapists and physiotherapy students and faculty members of the colleges to participate in this last and final struggle, because more than that nothing is possible than Amaran Anasan. From July 16th we have taken this step because our earlier attempt to sensitize the government has failed. There is no response. Satyagraha was conducted in last 1 year at 3 different places, and we have given adequate representation to the government, and the last option for Amaran Satyagraha or Amaran Anasan is commencing from July 16th, and we are hoping and praying Almighty God that our appeal should be heard by the policymakers of this country, bureaucrats, politicians, Sri Narendra Modi ji, and please form the Central Independent Physiotherapy Council. Thank you, one and all.